जिनसे क्या क्या तुम्हारा आमर मर राजू
आज इनसे क्या क्या राजू हरा अमर मर राजू न्यानी बमलोरिन हमगनयो
History about the NISI Service Engineer Forum. Kana mein NISI Service Engineers Forum, earlier it was called as NISI Engineers Forum. That has been conceptualized in the year 2002, in 11th of November, under the leadership of late engineer Taru Muriji, then SC, as the president of the ad hoc executive committee. Later on, in the minutes of the meeting held on 14 December 2002 in the residence of Engineer Bar Takum, then electrical engineer, now retired Chief Engineer Power, the nomenclature of forum was changed to NISI Service Engineers Forum under the drafting chairmanship of Engineer T.K. Tara, then A Electrical, now Chief Engineer Power, Transmission and Distribution. Many senior engineers were also actively participated in the formation of NISI Engineers Forum, and the ad hoc executive committee was formed and led by, as I said, late Engineer Taru Muri, then SCPWD, Engineer Takeng Weli, then SCRWD, now retired Chief Engineer RWD as a Vice President, Engineer Katong Wange, then EPWD, now retired CE, as a Secretary General, Engineer Toko Jyoti, then EPHD, now CEPHD as Assistant General Secretary, Engineer Bar Takum, then E Electrical, now retired CE as a Treasurer of Finance.
And it's a great pleasure for me to here to welcome you, all of you. Most respected Professor Tana Soren, President NES, who is here with us as a chief guest, and really we are honored. And he is joined by Harry Maring, General Secretary NISI Allied Society, who is here with us as a guest of honor. And we are also joined by NISI Allied Society affiliated organizations.
ngone kolo haka nokri dengo ngo chief general manager don korong ka chobi. My name is Margin Zapre, Executive Engineer Police Housing West Division. Presently I am holding Coordinator in Charge Police Housing, NISI Engineering Firm.
Mulangam, good morning. Nga Amit Bengia, ngo NISI Festival Council ga General Secretary nga. Hoga ngo as a profession I am Deputy Director of Food and Civil Supplies, serving in a Director Headquarter Papunala Nahalagan. Thank you.
Professor Tana Soren, ngo NISI Society ga President President.
Myself, Engineer Toko Otto, serving as Superintending Engineer RWD Yachuli Circle.
Nga aming Maring Nyubaheri, ang Oneso General Secretary.
We have to grow much beyond our dress identity. I have to, as your senior, I have to emphasize you, including myself and my colleagues, my contemporaries of my community. Though I know personally I'm branded as one of the bad person, yet in the name of badness of Mr. T.K. Tara, if I am able to deliver goodness for the common services and causes of the not only community but the society at large, I am totally satisfied. I strongly believe so. There is someone much above and beyond this universe, who balances what is really good, actually what is really bad. Because आज हमारा इमेज क्या है सोसाइटी एट लार्ज. उस दिन भी उधर लॉन्गडिंग साइड से कोई एक एमएलए ने मेरे उधर आया. ऑल बॉडीगार्ड्स, उसके बॉडीगार्ड्स देखो, प्राइवेट बॉडीगार्ड्स. ऑनरेबल एमएलएज आर गिवन गवर्नमेंट बॉडीगार्ड्स, बट लिविंग डेथ बॉडीगार्ड्स कौन है? फिजिकल बॉडीगार्ड्स. हमारा अपना लड़का 5 तो साथ में. तो आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड, आई कुड रिकॉग्नाइज 3 of them. These are so trivial to say and hear. अब देख लो, आपको सिर्फ फिजिकल और वर्बल यूज के लिए ही वो करता है, लेवल तक ही वी आर फिट. Why not his professional other business management, उसमें क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं हमारे भाइयों और बहनों को? जहाँ में रियल क्वालिटी चाहिए उधर क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं? फील द डिफरेंस, सी द डिफरेंस. मैं तो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड हूँ. जब जॉब में आया शुरू में, आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नोलॉजीज, बट बाय माय हार्ड वर्क, सेल्फ involvement in doing everything, I could learn so many things of the electrical technology कि many of my counterpart electrical engineers का साथ मैं बराबर से काम कर सका. और आज देखने से लगभग मैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग फॉरगेट कर चुका. मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नोलॉजी में ही अभी माहिर हूँ जैसा लगता है. एंड माई नेम इज एच नॉट ओनली इन द स्टेट. Whenever Central Electricity Authority, Ministry of Power, they want something from Arunachal Pradesh, they just ring me directly. अरे सर हम ये सब्जेक्ट को नहीं, नो अरुणाचल पावर सेक्टर बोलने से हम लोग तो तारा साहब को जानता है भाई. लाइक दैट. और पंगसू पास से वर्मा को कुछ क्रॉस बॉर्डर पावर सप्लाई देना था, उसके लिए भी सर वो मेरा सेक्टर नहीं है. नो, आपको ही हम जानता है, आप जो भी करना है करा के हमको दे दीजिए. आई डिड करके भेजा है. ऐसे यू ट्राई टू मेक मार्क योर पर्सनल अचीवमेंट ऑल्सो टू कम्युनिटीज अचीवमेंट. लास्ट में बोलूँगा एडवाइजरी. हम तो अभी सीनियर लेवल में आ गए. I did many mistakes. When I look back, I did many errors. Introspecting those, I try to guide few of my juniors, but I do not classify, reclassify, declassify. Now I have to look the Arunachal Pradesh as a whole, irrespective of communities, races. I pick up persons who are fit where, and I try to, based on their aptitude, I'm grooming, because they have to take over our activities when we superannuate tomorrow. Seamlessly, the system has to go, otherwise system will get collapsed. जितने सीनियर आते जाएंगे, आप अपना जूनियर्स को ग्रूम करके चलिए.
It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to each one of you to today's general body meeting. I would like to express my special appreciation in welcoming our esteemed guests, whose presence truly honors this occasion. Professor Tana Soren, President NES, who is our chief guest today. Sri Harry Maring, General Secretary NES, who is guest of honor today. Sri Amit Bengia and his team, Nisi Festival Council, and all the respected members of NSEF who are present here today. First of all, I want to thank all the founding members who gave us this platform, the Nisi Service Engineers Forum, NSEF, in the year 2002. I would like to remember with respect to our senior engineers such as late Taro Muri, Engineer Taken Valley, Engineer Katungonge, Engineer Bar Takum, Engineer Tabateder, Engineer Techi Rotu, Engineer Toko Jyoti, Engineer TK Tara, and Engineer NL Kamin, and others who came up with the idea of forming an NSEF. Last but not the least, someone received Gonido, Mulga parental body nga hapa, Mulga engineer from time to time problem hado. Because engineer से जाकर मूल काम human being है, गलती होता है, तो गलती होने से misunderstanding with honorables, misunderstanding with public, क्या क्या में मतलब थोड़ा तकलीफ आता है, तो हो हाई का मूल नूला मरा अब इसाबो मूल NESEF member है नूल प्रॉब्लम हम NES हम मूल ग्योतम यन पला, तो any time नूल मूल हम cooperation जिलाव का, and काजो गोग नोबा various speaker है, मूल काम all the time नूल लगब दोबा दिन ला.
Nulam ngo ato jabe consulate madane after 23 years nure survive magare e. Nulam ato jabe ngo consulate madane okay ngo best wese jidane nul survive manang ba. Habolo ngo anyo nyo dinatan hugo babolo Nisi Service Engineering permission mo ngo dopa. Dopa man ngo involve ma sab jakabisi tike tarabul be mane mu bahar lok dagling nga gyo ma sul pas tam gyo ni balaka mal to si dal kamri bona behind the screen है तो इंग्लिश के बना है mal है रिबू नहीं है जिन्हें कांगुल वे बीच टाइम तो बोले इन्हें कामें जिमान सीनियर आते हैं तो बिनी प्लेन बोलो कानुल कितने बार दगलिंग लगी और माले कातुंग वागे बोला हम कभी जगह अबंग जो तीसुलु कहा मा काते नुलम जिमान आते हैं सका माले जितरे उम्र में दोया तलाना मालू का है ला इहो गए ngo malu ke permission malango alja changpa hong all the nes executive member do kununa 2002 ho ngam nes lo executive member ani pa 2002 ho ara be Nisi Service Engineering program pom pa hongo alja te pa pa malu la bingtam pa sinulam atas kada magri la nguling puja tanna e ha ma ba sulungo hu gani atang mang paring ni kalaling ta he mai ho sa ko ngul ge kya atang e nulam guide madabe Nisi ke image build up madabe dg pa Sedungul pingkoso do kuma unfortunately Taru Muri Sahab Nisi lo ke first Nisi engineer mu kai poso chaling bue oke stacking beli sahab do pa humoyo basuga katong wagi absal i basla do nya na e hungul i ni do ma bisinga tike tara sa e be do nya na ho hab do ban mangule tu male jiman society ke nes ke upangson do jakam malame mang patek hiam ka mang param Hukbanula mang panang he, that is the blessings from the community. Hukba sa sul promotion pa ipanamule mang pamalol sul promotion sama bakam uribing ma chito work house pare i. Hukba sulu ko dabe Nisi Service Engineering program so akya ateng ri ganya ba sulu ko da do nya pa. He hukba society am contribution jinemte si do nya chang tum bote isore pura mu bala blessing pa iplaka. Health alja niya pag lukaka at malang health problem pa retard to taking valley sa arte bakatong wage sa bising engineer bar ta kumling ni ko ba माले एकदम हेल्थ एकदम मोला भी apa ya doj dekke हुआ बोलो नी के एकता ना लाइफ लो सोशल लाइफ जीना बहुत बड़ा बात है हुआ हु नी आतेंगे निशी के एमेजाम सुलु नेस के एमेजा सुलु नेस सोसाइटी सो कमांडो प्लो स्टेट सो कमांडो प्लो भू नी आतेंग बेजिला ई हु इजरा आतेंग बेजिला हुआ बंगा बिंग तार देंगे एक नंबर वसूल गम ngop kyotar so ngu bingtri atu jango emeja bingtri emeja la hard on ngulu ge kastor la kumainam promotion na kangul kastor la kumainam acha nul emeja ngam emeja ngoni albo klano kali mo to ka ga tetane teram no jiman to ka dos kamna emeja alma bolo nam ni eti to ka dos kam dikes ma tama e ek to ka do ma kam ni album di ma chang marang jidana ka ekdom umi ekdom midok no anyo kama umi mi pumurang ke hinyang bu ke ni katre hogobe ek no badang le emejam society ro build majibe su engineer si mulam ne sam kam I malai la se je ne se sulu bulu ke nisi ne se ke office mapolo hugwe bingya talom la heri mari win power do pen ke mama the image of the community has commanded all of us hamai mula command mapa nula mangjang pa yes necessary dolo mula di mar kam nulu changmat ka manesha te bol nulu te nikchang ji deke he hugu ba nesa ba ka image build up mapaki mane hugulo kam mule try am don nishi ge image al pe debe nulu ge image al pe debe society bolo service al ji debe hu puste ngule di delaka nulu ge nishi engineering program ka proof mananga backbone of the nes hananga nule atabing man mule proof mapa sulu nisi kajonga bingo nes office me judi nule domal bolo office me jiram it is proven bolo out of 92 contribution tega ne atre nul pitaya mawaki out of 92 mane 5 lakhs above contribution bolo ka 50 are from engineer fraternities with record में वो बोल रहा है हुकबा नुला मूल बिंग ने नुले बैकबोन शब्द होता का ngulam nab sa kajo kay tabi ni ngule so nab sa do tre e ngule nes ga affiliated body malange nguluga lapange nguluga alake nguluga nyerunge nguluga alange affiliated body ngule nes body sina e nugo ba nule al bolo ngule alate nule al malong ngule al ramla e
baru oi gola rila do tun mengam gutung gorangam baru gola do ler lekarang mela do o an la ave ka hi do Rigamarido, Evkalam, Sosek Ralung Association Forum Mokorin, or Rig Erngabong, ground putting, foundations, the basic characteristic, objectives, the philosophy, idle, grounded or dova in locum, ye come, aja come, code of procedures, rule and follow matter. Ngomung do directionless, correct, the doma, objectionless, dova in locum here to bone culture. Any organizations must have a solid characteristic, its philosophy and objectives well laid. वो dova in locum nula ye kreja masi have ka barikal. Oga mo me the sol nul so bailo silo telling ten no kam ho bare kam ka hi malail matom kajo nulam jarpagan ba nulug lurao ye aw chao ten ye go ang set dotare so samul kajo bing den nul ngam bing tam game president sahab game WhatsApp group posija leng go to dote pakai jerg lable go doing pak mulug nise ko engineering ke Arunachal ga ada nyobugo nule dog te pala nulug menam rina ma aing ba inlo kam tachura muleng akum le chu ba inlo kam muleng am bolo bab bab yolu de mutte tare nulug support nulug solidarity is always required for any kind of concrete decision and logical conclusion madu bole nulug cooperation required by any SL. Hoga mule hoga step nata and we always make a wide range of consultations.
It's vote of thanks from my end. And to begin with my vote of thanks, I would like to express with gratitude that the Nisi Service Engineers Forum and The organizing committee of today's function, thankful to our president, Nisi Relief Society Professor Tana Surin sir for gracing the occasion and this session as a guest, chief guest, despite his busy schedule. Sir, we are highly obliged to you and feel privileged in inviting you as our chief guest of today's function.